How to find archived conversations on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find archived conversations on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and after that click these 3 points in the top corner and then click archived conversations and then just hold on any conversation here and that's how you can unarchive it. Just click on it and that's it, and I hope that can help you to fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.